Alright y'all, let's install this hair from Blacross. That is a satin bag it comes in. It provided you an HD cap, and this is the hair. It is a 28 inches, I believe it's beach curl hair. I will put it in the description below where you'll be able to see all the full details of the hair. It did come with with an elastic band, which is adjustable and removable as well, so it's definitely great for that extra piece of security. It also came with the 3 clips in the lace, including the one in the back. So before I bleach the knots, I'm going to go ahead and start plucking the lace. It wasn't too bad, but I know I wanted to look a little bit more realistic than that, so I went in and just did some extra touching before I bleached the knots. I do have a detailed video on my channel of me plucking the knots if you want to see that, but this is the hair before I bleached it. So first I'm going to go ahead and do the install, and I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses, and I'm just applying a little bit of that foundation. This is the powder foundation press, and I'm just putting that on the wig before I install it. This is a glueless method, so I will be going in with some Gots to Breathe gel, Gots to Be spray, BoldHold gel, BoldHold liquid gold, and I'm going to be applying that to my perimeter just to lay my edges flat, as well as put the HD cap on before I apply the wig. And I'm just showing you here the liquid gold. This is not my first time installing this hair, so the lace has already been cut, so I'm just going ahead and put it in. But before I get it closer to my perimeter, I just try to measure it to make sure that it's evenly on both sides. And I'm going in with my Kercare wax stick, and I'm just using that to lay my hair back so it doesn't get in the way and get attached when I'm trying to lay my hair down. So I'm just placing the lace on my hair, and then you'll see me going next with the band to lay that and melt it down. I like to apply the Kercare wax before I use the hot comb. I find that it allows me to lay my hair more precise, and it gets a more flat appearance opposed to if I didn't use it. I just like doing that. It's just an extra added part to my steps, and it definitely gives the outcome that I like. Like 10 minutes or so, let this band really melt into my scalp. Take it off, probably spray it again, and let it sit again, and see what it looks like from there. So I'm probably gonna melt this like twice, and then we'll come back and see conditioner. I don't even think it's a leave-in. I just put some conditioner that I knew was 1, reasonable, 2, smelled good, and 3, that I knew I've used before on my curly hair. So I'll see what they go to. So off camera, I had re-laid my hair with this bonding spray, and I used some Ruby Kisses to color in my lace in the front. I hope that'll blend in. So that's what I've done here. And I'm going in with my Above NYX concealer to fill in my part, and this is in the shade CJ06. Who's that lady? Alright, y'all. My camera is doing its own thing, so I'm gonna take my bands off. So y'all can see the girl before I go lay it down. I ain't gonna do too much tonight because I'm about to go to bed. But that's how the hair looks. Am I doing good? So what? But it's how the hair looks. Again, this is, I believe, 28 inches. To me, it's true to the length. So I'm gonna put the link in the description bar below. And I think you guys should definitely check out this hair because it is definitely a cute, very easy install. I will put it in the description box below so you guys can check it out and purchase you a unit like myself. Again, this is 28 inches. I believe it's 100. Yeah, I'm putting the density below because I don't want to tell y'all the story. I want to say like 160 up in here, but I'm not 100%. But it's a 13 by 14 lace unit. It is a frontal. I didn't do too much to the sides, not too much, because I just wasn't sure how I was gonna do my hair, and I just didn't want to be overlaying my hair down to not even be seeing it. Because honestly, I might be catching it. This was a glueless method. I did go in with my BoldHold liquid gold and my BoldHold gel, and I just used it to apply my hair. I also went in with my Glueless spray, as well as my EBIN melt spray, and then to like fill in my hair, I went in with my Ruby Kisses, and then I also used my NYX concealer to just fill in the part. And that's pretty much it, y'all. It's really a simple install. When I go to bed tonight, I'm going to put my band back on, put my bonnet on. I did twist, you can see I twisted some of my pieces, and then I'm gonna let that sit for the rest of the night until I go tomorrow. This one already done came out, but I'll probably redo it. But other than that, y'all, I like the curl pattern too. Like, get into that curl pattern. That is so cute. So it's a 10 out of 10 for me. I love this hair. I don't have a lot of shedding outside of the normal when you put a lace, cut the lace, different things like that would cause your hair to shed. That's normal. But other than that, like, I don't have no issues with shedding. So I'm telling y'all, click the link in the description, purchase your unit, and get your hair like me. Okay? But other than that, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you liked this video and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so y'all not missing an upload. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I'll see y'all in the next video.